Hi, welcome to my live today. We're gonna learn how we can earn money playing game up to $50, but you can do other tasks in case you're not a lover of games. You can do other very simple tasks and you will earn. What actually came on live is to let you know that to be able to play this game, because you can play it from anywhere, you will need a PayPal account. So if you're a Nigerian or African, you don't have a PayPal account, you have to go get one. So because PayPal account does not really work here in Nigeria, account does not really work here in Nigeria, so there's something you can do. You just walk into any UBA branch, walk into any UBA bank, United Bank for Africa, request for $1 prepaid card, and once you get $1 prepaid card, you can now watch one of my videos. It's gonna pop up somewhere. You watch it and use it to activate your um, PayPal account so that you can get and receive money from anywhere in the world. So after this is done, you can play our game. Although this game you can start playing and start accumulating your money while you're can getting the card. The card will not take time. It's gonna take you just something you can do within 24 hours, just some few hours of a working day. Just walk into the bank, request for it. They're going to give you within some minutes, hours, depends on the other people they have to attend to. So once you've gotten this, you've sorted this out, you then come on and get your PayPal account activated. So while you're in that, let's go see the game and other tasks that you can perform. Hello guys, so the app we're going to use is Paid Work. So I'll quickly go to my app store. You can go to your Google Play Store. Just watch me type the name. It's called Paid Work. Paid Work. Then you search. Yeah, you can see it just up here. Paid Work, Make Money. Okay, this one. I already have it on my phone, so it's an open. But if you don't have it, you just download the app and install it to your phone. So once that is done, it's fine. Well, I'll leave the link down below in this description so that you can just click on there and go straight to having it installed on your phone. So when that is done, let me go to, so here it is on my phone. I just click on paid work. So once you click on paid work, it shows you your dashboard. So once you click on paid work, it just pops up this way. So you can see you can earn 100 points. 100 points is 100. It's $1. So you can decide to play games. So let's see what game has to say for us. You can earn $1 to $50 playing game. What I need to do? Well, you have to install the game, complete a specific task. You can tell it to play up to level 10 and all of that. And after that, that's all you have to do with playing game. And then your account will be credited immediately. Excuse me. You can start to go for filling out surveys. You take surveys, you can earn from 1.5 to $15 when you go on for survey. That's after the survey is completed, your account will be credited immediately. You can start to watch videos. Well, I kind of prefer this one. This one is not so demanding, although the earning is really low. You can see they just give you points. I need up to 100 points to have $1. Though the points, the earning for this one is really, really low, but at least it doesn't demand so much of my attention. And then this one is online shopping. This is online shopping where you can get from $1 to $12 if you buy various products on if you buy various products. The amount you get back depends on the value of the product you purchase. So when you buy various products, then you can with them, then you can get some money back. So this one is online shopping. So they'll just give you the steps and the guides on how to do the online shopping, which you're gonna do, and after that, voila, it is done. So let's just watch one of their videos because that's the shortest, it's just 30 seconds. Just watch it. Yeah, let me show you. so analytic billings here. Come to billings, how you get paid, that payment method. I downloaded my last month just before I slept. So I've really not done much tasks. I have opened $10 there. So you can go to your dashboard. Yeah. So this is the dashboard there. You see how much you have. So let's just go to earn, and then I wanna earn, I wanna play video. Click on it here, click here. And mind you, when you're registering with this platform, register to perform a task. Register to perform a task. Unless of course you wanna pay someone, you want to register to give job, register that can register to perform a task, register as a worker. So click on it. So this 30 seconds, 0.3 points. We're gonna watch for 30 seconds in 1 week. If you like whatever advert you're seeing, you can decide to click and download and start working with it. But if you don't like, you just let your 30 seconds slide and then you go. So one of the easiest way to make huge money on those platforms is to get different websites as this that can pay you to watch videos. So I'm going to share some other websites in subsequent videos so that you can just download, or not necessarily downloading, just go to their website on your laptop. This will do more good with the laptop because the laptop can help and let you open several windows at the same time. So once you open the several windows, one of the several windows are opened at the same time. Yeah, you can see it's showing me close. I just close it. So 30 seconds has gone. So yeah, you can see you have watched the entire video correctly and you've received 0.3 points. Now there's another video waiting for you. Hello guys. So like I said, you can open so many screens at the same time. Forgive me, my laptop went off. Now once you open so many screens at the same time because you have two different of the sites, yeah, you can now be accumulating your money faster. Even if it's just one platform like the paid work I showed you, you can decide to work on it for 1 hour and accumulate as much money as you can per day. Once you have up to $10, you can request for a withdrawal. And while you're trying to get that, please get your PayPal account activated because that's the way that you can be paid. So let me know how it goes with you. Start making money, stop staying and watching. While you're doing nothing, just let all those 30 seconds videos slide and then you accumulate little funds for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment, thumbs up, and of course subscribe if you want more of this kind of content. Thank you.